So right now I'm in Tokyo Shibuya crossing and I have these new Rokid AI glasses right here. My phone is staying in my pocket, I'm not taking it out, and I'm gonna use this to get around. Finding the right trains, navigating, getting food. And one more challenge, I'm gonna use 5,000 yen all day just to get around Tokyo. That's about 30 bucks. And hopefully we get to eat some food today. So let's go. Before we forget, the Hachiko statue is right here. I can use these Rokid glasses to get some more information about it, which is very useful. Hi Rokid, what is this statue about?
That's Hachiko, the loyal Akita, who waited here.
Wow, I learned a lot of new things. Apparently this is not even the original statue. It was apparently melted down for the Second World War, so the more you know. Hi Rokid, take me to the nearest gyoza place. I think it's right there. Hi Rokid, what's the best value meal for me?
For value, go with the seafood rice set.
I always wanted to try this one, but maybe now is the time. So it looks good, it's tofu, but I don't really know what it is, so let's see it. You guys need to come to Tokyo. Oh my god, this is so good. In total, we spend about 1,958 yen, which is quite a lot of money. The food tasted nice, but I'm not too happy about how much I actually spent. So next off, let's try to save some money. We have about 3,000 yen left. I'm on the way to Shinjuku station. It is the busiest train station in the world. I'm very curious to see if Rokid can find his way in Shinjuku station. So let's see. Okay, so a few small tips on the train right now. On here you have to be quiet, respectful, don't be too loud, don't be annoying, and then you'll be fine. Okay, so we just arrived in Shinjuku station. It's insane here. There's so many people, there's so many exits. Actually, I think that's a good time to ask a question to Rokid. So, hi Rokid, how many exits does Shinjuku station actually have?
Over 200. Actually, if you count all the underground passages linking it to nearby stations.
God. Unbelievable. I can understand it's the busiest station in the world. Oh my god. Hi Rokid. Which exit do I take to go to the Godzilla statue in Shinjuku?
Take exit B13. It puts you on the east side near Studio Alta. Cross yes.
Hi Rokid. Navigate me to the Godzilla hotel. So we came from Shibuya station to Shinjuku station all the way here to Kabukicho. It was a long journey, but we made it. And look behind us, we have the Godzilla statue. Oh my god. Hi Rokid, can you tell me some facts about the Godzilla statue?
That's the Godzilla head on the Toho building installed in 2015.
Oh wow, so
about 12 meters
apparently, I didn't know this, but between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. the Godzilla statue, it shoots fire and smoke. I'm very surprised. I hope to see it. I finally found a place to sit down. I'm still in Kabukicho. I got this nice beer, but unfortunately it costs about 900 yen. So that means I have somewhat less than 2,000 yen left. I don't know about tonight, but right now I have this nice beer, so I cannot complain. You might think these are just some regular sunglasses, but you would be mistaken, because actually this is just a cover. Let me take it off for you. Voila, that's how easy it is to take it off. So now we just have normal glasses. How do I look? I think I look amazing. What do you think? So anyway, this one you can take off so easily and just clip it back on again, and now you have your sunglasses. Hi Rokid, what's an interesting place around here in Shinjuku?
Just around the corner is the famous 3D giant cat, a huge curved
The big
LED
cat. Do I need a ticket for that, or do I need to pay or anything, or I don't want to pay?
No ticket needed, it's an outdoor billboard, completely free to watch.
Oh, it's just outside. Okay, can you take me there? We're now at the big screen where supposedly there will be a cat coming on. Right now there's advertisements, so apparently we have to wait here. Luckily we have a nice band playing, so luckily we can stand here, listen to the music and wait until the cat comes on. I'm actually really enjoying this music, but I only have less than 2,000 yen left, so I don't know how much I should give them. I want to give them something, so let me ask. Hi Rokid, I only have slightly less than 2,000 yen left and I want to give some money to the people playing music here. How much money should I give?
Tipping street musicians called Nagasen is welcome here.
Apparently a good amount should be around 500 yen. So I have that money right here. Let's give it to them. Now we have slightly less than 1,500 yen left. We spent the money on the music, but to be honest, I'm having a great time with the cat behind me as well, so I think I spent my money well. We're back in Shibuya. My hotel is here, so I had to come back. But we're sitting on kind of a problem, so I have about 1,100 yen left right now. And I'm getting quite hungry, so maybe it's a good idea to ask Rokid for some help to find some snacks around here. Hi Rokid, can you help me find some snacks or food around here? I have about 1,100 yen left, but what is there around here?
With 1,100 yen, you're in good shape. There's a takoyaki.
Rokid recommended me to get some takoyaki. I think that's a great idea. I've never had it before, so let's go that way. Hello. For me, half and half, please. It's been a long day. It's been a good day. Luckily, Rokid was here to help me along the way. I got this nice takoyaki. Now I only have about 110 yen left, but I think I spent the money well. So let's head back to the hotel. I'm tired and I'm hungry, so good night.